here we are with the patient all about to get operated. Now she has come with a swelling over the forehead, and as we can see, she has been diagnosed to have a hemangioma. She says it's there with her since her birth, and there it has been increasing in size a bit. 2 sessions of sclerotherapy taken so far, and also 2 surgeries done for excision of the same. One, as she says, was just a minimal one, like a sort of a plastic surgery for the biopsy, and that revealed it is an hemangioma, and the second one for complete excision. However, the lesion has recurred. As Dr. Richardson has told her and has explained that it seems to be a high flow one, and there also seems to be a depression over the frontal region, the forehead on the left side for her. So this is the hemangioma exactly as we can see. The last scan which was taken for her shows that there are no feeders, no internal feeders or internal cerebral feeders. The main artery which is supplying is the ophthalmic artery on the left side for her in her case. It is going to be an excision under general anesthesia for her. We have explained to her the procedure, also the chances of recurrence that she is most bothered about because she has undergone multiple sessions before. And doctors explain her that generally it grows till the amount of say 18 to 20 years till the time there is growth. Post that it recedes in nature. Yeah. Okay. We'll follow it the case up in the theatre as well, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Thank you.
We're going to be removing this today. The patient is under general anesthesia. It's a pretty compressible one, which means it's a high flow lesion. I'm going to show you the different views. You can wash it. The size of that lesion. So that's going to go for histopathological examination. That's close up. So I've made a horizontal incision and excised it, as this scar is not going to be as obvious, or it's going to get inconspicuous. I'm going to show you how she looked also. So I was there.
Greetings from Richardson's Hospital. Also greetings to all of you on the festivities. We have a patient. She's an MBBS student, as we had told you earlier. She's passed MBBS, completed now, and waiting for further studies. She came to us for an hemangioma on the left forehead, as we can see. Sclerotherapy sessions taken by her. Also surgical excision attempted twice before this. This time she had come for the residual hemangioma correction. You can also see in the other pictures, this is how it looks. Yes. So this was in recurrence of what was left. She said the last one was done probably 2 years back. 2019 it was done. Okay, so today it's just 2 days post-operative. We're removing the pressure pack or the Dynaplast for her, and the stitches, as we have told her, will be removed once she goes to her hometown, probably a week later. It's just the hair which will pull a little bit. Okay, so I'll be cleaning this up for her. Even you can have a look. Just take the mirror. Very fine, delicate stitches, her sutures have been placed. The hemangioma has been, good to say, almost completely surgically excised. The swelling which was here has been reduced. It's one thin horizontal line. The most important thing to be noted is that the scar has been placed horizontally by Dr. Richardson. Previously this was a vertical scar. And horizontal scars always heal seamlessly because it will be along with your resting frown lines, right? These sutures have to be removed after a week as it has already been told to you, right? The care which has to be taken is only with respect to little bit of rest, see if there is any oozing, is there any discharge, rest all, you will be fine. Medications will be given and antibiotic coverage, right? Okay, do send us your pictures, keep in touch. Any issues you can tell us. We'll put a tape because you will be traveling now, so you can have a look. In fact, we'll also call your mom to have a look, right? Thin line is there. Come, ma'am. We'll also show you her previous pictures, how it looks. There is a swelling here. It has been good to say, or safe to say, completely removed, surgically excised. Also, if you see the frontal picture, we see the scar which she had was an existing vertical scar. Now it has been turned into horizontal, and horizontal is always better because in the forehead the resting lines, that is the crease lines, are horizontal. So it's in accordance to that, so the healing will be much better. Okay, it will almost be seamless. Right now you see these fine stitches, those have to be removed, and they are dissolvable, but still better to be removed, but little later, because obviously with hemangioma there can be chances of bleeding or oozing. Is there any pain? No? Okay, and this is just day 2, which is 2 days post the surgery. Since she is a medico herself, she is getting discharged. All the instructions have been told. And do keep in touch, send in your pictures. Complete healing will take some time. We'll also give a scar cream post that, just so that the scar gets minimized. Okay, we'll put a taping or a dressing till the time she reaches home.
After reaching, can I remove them?
You can remove, probably in a day you can remove. Okay, yeah, thank you.